Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is January the 8th. We're out here in the Sandy Springs, Georgia area. This is a new client. I did come out and do a in-home consultation. And what we're going to be doing, guys, is one of our interesting jobs that I do quite often. Actually going out of town to do one this Saturday, but it's going to be a screen and recoat. But on this floor, guys, they have a lot of residue on the floor. Again, most people, even cleaning companies, they don't understand the true factors of cleaning a floor. And in this case, a lot of people use the wrong products that are usually high in pH, and it causes the floors to be have a lot of residue. Okay, not wax, but residue. So what we're going to do today, guys, is reverse that. This is over 4,000. Okay, 4,000 square feet of wood floors, but they are pre-finished wood floors. We're also going to be screening and recoating the stairs because this is a new build, and they didn't, put enough finish on the stairs, which I also see a lot in these new builds. And we're also going to be just buffing and sealing the countertops. Now, again, guys, this is a new house, all right, but the floors need some. It needs the Truman. Okay, it needs the Truman touch. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so again, we are in Sandy Springs. These are the floors that we're going to be doing. And guys, I want to zoom in, and if you look at these floors, like see right there, there's a lot of residue. And the homeowner said, Courtney, we have tried, and we cannot get this residue off. So, like for example, I'm going to zoom in right there. You see all that, guys? That's all residue. All through here, see all that residue on the floor? So they did watch my videos, which is one of my best selling points. So we're going to be doing all these floors here, all through here. We're also going to be doing the quartz, clean and buffing the quartz countertops because they also have a lot of residue. All through here, these beautiful countertops, all through here, okay, all through here. And when I'm walking on the floors, I mean, guys, see all these scuff marks? When I walk on the floors feel so sticky because of all that residue. We're also going to be screening and recoating these stairs. Guys, look really close. You can already see wear on the stairs. What that is not enough protection on these stairs, okay? Scuff marks. And let's go upstairs. So for example, this is the masters. Look at all that residue on these floors. I mean, the floors are just full of residue, all right? Here, there's Tavares. So we got our bunny pads, setting up our equipment. I'm gonna start here first, in this room here. All right, guys, go ahead and get started.
Yeah. Atlanta Nights. Brand new floors. Still can't get them clean. That's when they call Truman. Brand new wood, but it don't feel right. Haze in the grain, dull in the light. They try mop sprays, everything. Still see footprints, still see stains. Factory finish, residue deep. Trapped in the pores, buried beneath. You don't sand it now, you restore. You gotta know what you're working for. Ain't about muscle, ain't about speed. It's about knowledge and chemistry. When the flow can't breathe, it can't shine. That's when you call a specialist line. Residue don't live in no more. We bring the grain back, bring back the glow. From Buckhead homes to ATO floors. Truman cleaning what they couldn't before. Residue don't live in no more. We don't replace, we restore. One clean day, you'll see the truth, yeah. Residue don't live in with Truman. Quartz top cloudy, streaks won't fade. Wrong chemicals, wrong parade. Don't look tired, lost that pop. Light don't dance when it hits the top. We neutralize, rebalance the shine. Bring back clarity, bring back time. No scratches, no fake gloss game. And just real result, real clean lane. It's patience, it's process. years in the craft. Some floors don't need more product. They need the truth pulled back. Yeah. This that deep contamination removal. Not a wipe down, it's surgical. Land of trust, we earn that call. High-end homes, we handle it all. Wood flow, breathe, quartz reflect. Every surface showing respect. When it gotta be right, not just fast. That's why our name always lasts. Yeah, residue don't live in no more. Yeah, see yourself in the countertop glow. Yeah, wood floor clean down to the core. Truman fixing what they ignored. Residue don't live in no more. It's that specialist premium tone. Atlanta homes know who to choose. Yeah, residue don't live in with Truman. Residue don't live it with Truman. Residue don't live it with Truman. If your flows look clean, but don't feel clean, you already know who to call.
Alright guys, that is going to do it. We have a very satisfied client. They did not know, again, what to do with these floors. Guys, this floor is beautiful. Beautiful floor, man. I've done this floor numerous times because of the same issue. But if you look now, remember when you first came in, you just saw residue everywhere, guys. So we corrected that issue, and now you can just see how beautiful these floors are. We also did the entire upstairs. All right. Also, we screened and recoated the stairs. So shout out to Tavares. He did do the stairs. This landing. So we got all the stairs coated. This whole look at this, guys. Remember when you first came up? When I first came up, it was just full of residue. Oh, beautiful. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, remember right here when I first showed you going into the masters, how it looked real cloudy. Look at that. All right, guys, my day is done. I think I deserve me a nice steak dinner. There's a place in Duluth called Jack's Meat House. I think I'm gonna treat myself to some of that thick bacon they have and a nice steak. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Thanks again for watching. Also, we got the countertops done. It's beautiful. And again, guys, this floor and these countertops, they just needed to be, just clean. So we didn't even put a polish on here. We just cleaned them and buffed them out because they're already polished and sealed. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.